Hi there, Prayer Plant Girl here. Once your pool water has reached 15 degrees Celsius, it's time to put it away for the winter or get it settled. So what you need to do is put away your ladder and your solar heaters, put away your solar blanket if you have a leaf net, clean your pool thoroughly and put on that leaf net or replace it with a pool cover or your solar blanket. Then you need to run your filter for a complete cycle every day for 2 days. Next, you'll want to backwash your pool. Bring your chlorine to shock level. I use a quarter of the solution to bring my chlorine well above the guideline on my small test kit, and I found that to be successful in finding a decent level. Run your pool at shock level for 36 hours, making sure that you are running for a complete water filter cycle every day during those 36 hours. Then you want to drain your pool, and you want to bring the water level to at least 8 inches below the lowest inlet or outlet point on your pool. At this point, you can also drain your filter and pump. You need to make sure that they are drained completely before you store them for the winter. Next comes polyquat. You want to add this to help deter any algae from growing in the pool in the end of fall and spring. So add that according to the directions on the bottle, keeping in mind the lower water level. Just pour it in slowly around the entire pool, and then brush your pool really well to make sure it's well mixed into the water and thoroughly incorporated. Next, you'll want to make sure that you remove all the fittings and hoses. Don't forget about your weir and your filter on the inside of your inlet. You probably have one of those. And you can usually fit a lot of the smaller things inside the filter. Make sure that you don't lose any of the gaskets or smaller parts. So use a Ziploc bag or somewhere else to make sure that, like this filter basket, to make sure it's all stored away safely for the winter. Your filter plug needs to stay off as well, so make sure that that gets stored away with all the other smaller items. Now you'll want a good quality winter cover on your pool. We've chosen the Arctic Armor cover. You can order them online or some pool stores. It's a good quality cover. It lasted us through a winter. You don't need any extra balls or apparatus underneath it. In fact, it's not recommended. So just put it on tight, wrap it so it's sitting on the water level, and then around the outside tightened with a winch. Make sure that you have left open your skimmer and your inlet for the pool so that any water that may rise through snow melting or rain can escape the pool and not build up and crack those parts of your pool. If you have a leaf net, this is a great time to put it on to help catch those leaves in the autumn. You can take it off when the leaves have all fallen, and you might want to put it back on in early spring. Then clean dry your solar blanket and all the other parts and store them away in a frost-free, rodent-free area. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.